Hi, friends, welcome to my How to Solve YouTube channel, and here I'm gonna show you the solution for your AirPods Pro showing red exclamation mark while you pair with iPhone or iPad. Or enable to check left AirPod Pro battery percentage on AirPods Pro setup card and in the same no right AirPod Pro battery percentage and showing exclamation mark. Sometimes showing a big red exclamation mark while pairing with iPhone or iPad like this. On pairing process of your AirPods Pro with iOS and iPad, if you see the big red exclamation mark only on setup card, then you should follow this. Here hard reset AirPods Pro doesn't help to fix the issue because there is a problem with device Bluetooth. Once I turn off Bluetooth from the iPhone settings app and turn on back after a second. Next, I pair AirPods Pro with hard reset, keep both the AirPods Pro into charging case and press and hold on the back button of the charging case. You will see the setup pop-up on a nearby unlocked iPhone or iPad. And follow the on-screen setup guide to pairing successfully. That's it. Get deep solutions into fix AirPods Pro red exclamation mark with connection failed error. Check this in my previous video. Repeatedly are you seeing red exclamation mark on left or right AirPod setup card on iPhone and iPad during the pairing process, or check battery percentage? Most of the time we can't fix it with hard reset AirPods Pro. After a long time using your AirPods Pro, stem of left AirPod and right AirPod covers sweat with dirty particles during hard work or gym exercise time as well. Here are the professional ways to fix this issue and clean up your AirPods Pro completely. Take out both the AirPods Pro from charging case and use soft cotton cloth or microfiber cloth to clean still contact on the stem of the AirPod one by one. Next, open AirPods Pro charging case and look into charging hole of AirPods Pro. Use dryer tip to clean inside the charging connection one by one. Carefully roll out tip inside the AirPod stand and clean up debris with blowing air from mouth completely. After the cleaning process, put both the charging case inside the charging case and clock, then open the lid of charging case to see the AirPods Pro pop up on the paired device. Here my iPhone showing the red exclamation mark fixed. Now take one AirPod out of the case to see the battery level of both AirPods and charging case. Next to it the way to check battery percentage directly on the battery widget on paired iPhone and iPad. For you must add a battery widget on the iPhone or iPad. Here's the video tutorial on how to fix battery widget missing on iPhone and iPad. AirPods Pro charging problem is big and facing repeatedly. Then you must clear all the charging connectors that available on the charging case and AirPods Pro. First of all, remove both the AirPod from charging case and use dry toothtip, then clean the lighting connector given on below of the charging case. Carefully remove all the debris from all corners. Next is to use soft dryer tip to clean connector from inside the charging case for left and right AirPods one by one. Now, take both the AirPod Pro one by one on your hand and use soft dry cotton or fiber cloth to clean up a metal connector from the step of the AirPod. Once you did it, check the AirPods Pro charging status. Use direct power source to charge your AirPods Pro. A software update is also a very important solution for all kind of connectivity issues. So we need to check out this way and update on owner demands. First, make sure your iPhone is updated. Open Settings app and tap on General and Software Update. Download and install the latest software update. Next is to check the firmware version of AirPods on paired iPhone that we can check on Settings, General, and About. Now scroll to AirPods Not. If the AirPods is not showing there, that means AirPods is not paired with iPhone. So, go back and tap on Bluetooth under the Settings app. Next, connect your AirPods Pro. Now go back and tap on General option, tap on About and scroll to AirPods Pro name. Next, you will see all the AirPods Pro details on the list. If your AirPods Pro is not updated with the latest version, then put both the AirPods Pro in charging case, connect your AirPods Pro to charging cable and keep open charging lid of the charging case until you get updated version of AirPods Pro. Find step-by-step last video on how to update the firmware of AirPods Pro. Sometimes, in this case, forgot AirPods Pro process and pair AirPods Pro with hard reset fix the issue on connectivity. So let's begin with the forgot your AirPods Pro from Bluetooth settings. Go to the Settings app on iPhone and tap on Bluetooth option. Next to turn off the Bluetooth toggle and enable it. Next, see the AirPods Pro name and tap on a small I button next to AirPods Pro name. Now tap on Forgot this device and remove the device from the iCloud account as well. Next, to pair AirPods Pro with hard reset. Keep both the AirPods Pro inside the case and open lid of the charging case. Next press and hold back button of the charging case, until amber light flash and white at last. Connect your AirPods to the iPhone using the setup card. Follow the on-screen setup and fix it. The issue is not fixed yet, because of hardware damage. Get the appointment from Apple Support online. Go to getsupport.apple.com website, scroll to AirPods device and click on it. Next, select your problems like the pairing and connectivity issue. Next, you will find the two option chat or call. If you are in the wrong direction, then change the topic from below link and select hardware issues. Here you can get chat, call and being in repair. Log in with your Apple ID and enter the serial number of AirPods Pro. Go to this video to find a serial number of AirPods Pro. If your AirPods Pro is out of warranty, then you can buy from the Apple Store and fix charge. Here are the charges for AirPods Pro case only or one of the AirPod Pro.